I'm going to be doing a little day and night routine. So the first thing I'm going to do is get all my stuff that I need. Let's come where my vanity is. I'm going to put you guys over here so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to grab my pore scrub. I'll go more in depth with the pore scrub in the bathroom. Grab my toothbrush and toothpaste and then my towel. I also went and grabbed a little scrunchie so my hair doesn't get in the way. I want to start the water. I use bar soap to clean my face. I use the Irish Spring one. Sometimes I use the one with the charcoal in it, sometimes I don't. This one doesn't have it in it. And I get under my chin because you do break out right there, and I put makeup right there, and then I really look at my nose, and then I do my hairline too. And that's what people don't like understand, like the parts of your face, because when you do wash your face you don't really get your cheeks, like you get like the center of your face, you don't get all around your face, and that's one of the things that makes people break out more in certain areas. Okay, I left my face wet to use this apricot cleansing pore scrub. It has exfoliating shells to clean your skin and unclog your pores. It has in it is apricots, aloe vera, and vitamin E to help moisturize the skin, green tea and witch hazel to help unclog the pores and purify the skin, cucumber and clementine to help condition and soothe the skin, tea tree and salicylic acid, sorry if I said that wrong, and that helps to control the oil and acne pores, and vitamin C to help brighten the skin. For this you have to keep your face wet. I only put a little bit on because pore scrubs can damage your skin. I'm just making this into like a lather, so see how it's like all bubbly now? And I really like get to where my blackheads are. And then you wash it off with warm water. And then I'm just gonna pat my face dry. And the reason why I pat my face is because you like rub it and it like irritates your skin. To be using this Sensodyne toothpaste for sensitive teeth and cavity prevention. Let's go back to the room. I need to moisturize my face. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. What I do want to add into my skincare is SPF. I'm going to put on some chapstick. That is all I do for my morning routine. It's really nothing much because it's just the morning. So I'll see you guys tonight when I do my night routine. Okay, it is now nighttime. I just took a shower and got done brushing my teeth. I didn't show me brushing my teeth because you guys already seen me do it earlier. And you guys already know what like toothpaste I use. So first I use this Pure Nourishing Magical Treatment. hair oil, I don't even know what it is. It's just some hair treatment, and I use it to make my hair soft. And I just run my fingers through like this. Sometimes either I put gel in my hair and scrunch up my hair so it's curly, or I just let it air dry, and today I'm just going to let it air dry because honestly I don't feel like doing my hair right now. First I'm going to do a lip scrub, so I use this Beauty Troops lip scrub, and this one is in the flavor Vanilla Bean. And I take a little spatula like this and scoop some out and put it on my lips, and then rub that in. My lips look a lot better now. I'm going to be putting on some chapstick just so my lips are not crazy. Next, I'm doing my skincare, so of course I'm gonna go into this Delphi Daily Hydration Moisturizer just to make sure my skin is moisturized. We do not want to go to bed with dry skin. Now I'm going to be using, and I do not use these in order that I am using them right now, I just randomly grab them. So the first thing we need to do is use this Pharmacy Honey Grail Serum. It's ultra hydrating face oil. It's a fast absorbing, luxurious, lightweight oil that delivers intensive moisture while helping to soothe the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's rich in antioxidants. It's a multitask miracle worker that's made from proprietary honey, sea, buckthorn, and a 5-flower oil blend. It's packed with essential fatty acids and nutrients for healthy looking, revitalized, glowing skin with no greasy feel. It's a little dropper, so I just add some drops to my fingers and pat them together and pat that into my face. The reason why I press is so that it gets deep into the pores. The product I'm going to be using is this Cypress Antioxidant Dew. It's a quench and glow serum, and this one, it just says apply several drops of antioxidant dew to clean skin, morning and night. The droppers glow, and I put that on my fingertips. I put them on the 3 fingertips because really my thumb and my pinky really don't do nothing. So what my skin is looking like so far. It looks very dewy. Next serum I'm going to be using is the Skin Nutrients Botanicals Hyaluronic Acid 1% and Vitamin C. It has hydration, radiance, and antioxidant in it. It's a clinical formula to improve skin texture and clarity with intense moisturizer and balance skin brightness and whitens. It has proven anti-aging properties to demolish the look of fine lines and all-day relatives. And I got this at the dollar store. TikTok actually made me buy it. And again, apply it to the fingertips. The last step that I do in my nighttime routine is I use some castor oil. No, actually this is not the last step. So I'm using this 100% pure castor oil. I guess it's cold pressed and it's for longer, healthier lashes and brows. I got this off Amazon. So I take this spoolie. Now for the last step of my night routine, I clean my nails and I use this cuticle oil. This is the Beatles gel polish cuticle oil. I just take like a dotting tool and clean out all the gunk from my nails. So we'll just take it. I just put it on like it's nail polish. I just do like a quick little swish. And then I rub it into my cuticles. I did my night routine, so which means that I am totally done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and hit the subscribe button and make sure the bell is turned on so you guys are notified every time I upload. Go follow my TikTok, Alexia _YT. I upload every single Wednesday and Sunday, so see you guys next time. Bye.